Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford Explorer in a limited trim and powered by a 3.5-liter engine, providing you with excellent power for getting around with four-wheel drive capabilities so you can get through the tough weather conditions. It does have vent shades on the windows and a roof rack up top so you can mount some cargo up there, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you, revealing your cargo area and third row seating area, because you do have seating for 6 in this vehicle, with a nice full leather interior with cup holders and cubbies back here too. You have power controls for controlling these two back seats and a 12-volt power outlet there, and this closes again with another simple press of a button. Then looking into the second row, where you have seating for 2, they have their own cup holders, cubbies. They have this here console that opens up to be like a sort of table. You can take this tray out and you have a deep storage compartment in there, so that's pretty cool too. And then down here you have 2 more cup holders like so, with your rear climate controls, heated second row seats, 2 USBs, and a 110-volt power outlet. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 73,710 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your right screen here, where you can go through your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, and your controls for your left screen here, where you can cycle through your RPMs and oil temperature, tire pressures, digital speedometer, four-wheel drive status, distance to empty, and RPMs alone. You have your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, driver assistance settings and features, and then settings in general for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to the signal stock, which does have your lane keeping system at the end of the stock itself, and then you have your tow haul mode button here and your remote hatch release. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth capable, so you have plenty of options there. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate and a heated steering wheel. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your car. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Moving down, you have your hazards here, your park assist sensor shutoff, your active park assist or parallel park assist, and your front view camera. Because you do have a front and rear facing camera. Moving down further, you have your media controls here, Sony sound system. You have your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated and air conditioned front seats so you can stay comfortable. And then you have this compartment down here with a USB and 12-volt inside, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side so you can manually shift through your gears. 2 cup holders here, your terrain management system, so terrain selector for, there it is, sand mode, snow, gravel, grass, and then you also have mud, rut mode. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there, and you have hill descent assist in the middle of that. Then you have your center compartment / armrest here with another USB inside, so you can plug something in from there, and a ton of room. Then last but not least, you do have a power moonroof up top so you can land in the sunshine, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.